If you dip me in your ass, I get your pussy stuck up. When you touch down in my hood, no, that tour life ain't good. Catch me down in MIA, and that heat game on wood. With that Puma life.
Guys, it's the morning of the track meet. Niggas just got up.
Big shot, but though.
We gotta leave in like 5 minutes and we're very late. Niggas ain't eating breakfast, but it's cool. But I'm gonna hit you guys back up when we there. Time to get breakfast, I ain't gonna lie. We have like 5 minutes for breakfast. So, Nazi took the best bananas. Oh my god. I ain't gonna lie. Everything bagel. Everything bagel. Shit. Let's see what Ice is gonna get. Them belly. Wow.
Ocean Breeze Track and Field, we here in chat. Let's not get real today.
Alright, chat, now we gotta warm up and shit. There's my heads here, bro. But yeah, we about to do like 2 jogs and shit, and then after that, do some stretches. So, it's currently 9:47, right? And me and this, we don't run the 8 until, let me pull it around. We don't run the 800 until 11:46. And then for the DMR, 5:05. So we're gonna be here all day. I might take a nap, I ain't gonna lie, chat. Alright, chat, so we about to go check in right now. We gotta go downstairs and then go around. Like, why?
Now our 6th and final crew.
I didn't even know there was this many people down here. I didn't even know this was a thing. So niggas about to go get checked and get rolled in the 8. Wow.
Instantly out of heat number 6 of the boys 800 while we await our 60 finals on the infield. Some really exciting racing all over the board. Again, Jelani Taylor, 205.76 from the most recent heat, and 2 flat 67 our time to beat by Bryson Anderson from the second heat from Cardinal Hayes. So it looks like the Frosh-Soft girls may be the first up to run the 60-meter final. We will keep you updated on that They just got called into their blocks. It's in fact the boys that are going to be running the frosh soft first in the 60-meter dash, so we will check on that. There they are. Reneel Barrett, Zachary Pratt, Niels De La Rosa, Keon Ali. Boys 800 on the final lap. We got a late move coming. Bryant Chen of Ballston Spa has found his way into the lead. We got a couple of Scotties in this. William Buffalian in the top 6, trying to move up into 4th. But it'll be his teammate Chen who will lead off the turn, but can he make it to the finish line? Oh boy. Oh, right on the line. Some sweet revenge in the home stretch by Myro Kovo of Nottingham. 2:14.61 for the Heat 6 triumph.
I ran the 800 and things got rolled. But in my heat, I got first. I think, what did I run? I think I ran like 2:14. Well, I got first in my heat, so that's all that matters. Niggas still got rolled. Go my hair away. What events y'all run? Y'all ran yet or not? What's y'all fastest time? Okay, y'all so fast. Who is the most attractive girl here right now? This building. Nobody? I see not one fine girl. Nothing? Shit. I gotta walk around for, you know. Look. From left to right to right to left. I got a girlfriend. I got a girlfriend right here. Alright. I'm gonna catch up. What's the guy go to? What's that? What's your name? First. Yeah. What's that? That's good stuff. Y'all been here for a minute, right? The amount of time you've been here, who's the baddest girl you've seen? What's the attractive girl? Oh, you got a girlfriend? No, you got a girlfriend? Okay, we like that. How about you? You don't know? Yeah, I'm just from there to here. Looking behind you. See a picture with anyone. I thought his girlfriend. Something. Like spring something. Spring something? Yeah. Light skin? Brown skin? I think it's like light skin. Brown skin. We're going to try to find you. Nah, sure. I think. Reach out. What energy? Sure. Okay. What's your name?
Bella. Leah. Rachel. Danny.
Okay. Yeah. Did y'all run yet?
No.
Y'all not running?
No, we are.
You guys running? What events are you guys running?
I'm doing the 400. Yeah.
Oh, in the 4? Yeah. Okay. So, y'all been here the whole day, right? Who's like the most attractive person y'all seen today?
Well, there's a few, but they're not out here. I don't know where they're from. I don't know where they're from.
There's not a lot.
There's not a lot of hunters.
There's not a lot.
Anticlimactic.
It's what?
It's anticlimactic.
So, what do you guys be running for y'all 400? Like, what time?
We're not gonna. This is not my event. I'm looking.
I don't know. I haven't ran it.
No, it's okay. I'm rolled too. We all rolled together. So.
You're like.
No, I'm so dead ass. I'm rolled. I'm so dead ass. Huh? You won. I'm telling you, he's lying.
I haven't ridden this since middle school.
You haven't ridden it? Wow.
I only ran it once.
Once?
I haven't ran it yet.
I've never run it before.
Okay. Thank you guys for the interview.
Thank you.
If y'all want to check it out, it's going to be on my Instagram and YouTube, okay? I'm here with today.
Kennedy Brown.
Oh, okay, what school do you go to?
My what? Wait. Let me take these off. Or what?
What school do you go to?
I go to the Bullis School.
Okay, I like that. What events do you run?
I run the 400, 200, 300.
What's your time in those?
Indoors for the 400, I ran, actually I don't know, but outdoor, 53.4.
Sauce. Faster than me. How about the 2?
The 2 indoor, I just ran 23.97.
Okay, what's the 300?
338.0.
Okay, that's faster than me. Whoa. Okay. So you've been here the whole day, right? Who's the most attractive boy you've seen today?
Nobody. I'm being for real, nobody.
Okay.
Good luck on the rest of your events, and thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye. Yo, chat, just to specify, I don't want none of them, you know, it's just for an interview. Coach who?
Coach Pete.
Okay. How you doing today?
Doing well.
Doing well. So, you've been here the whole day, right?
Yep.
Who's the best athlete you've seen so far?
Best athlete I've seen so far. This is a young man. His name is Isaac. He goes to Nottingham High School. He's over there throwing.
I like to hear that, right? On the sprinter side, who did you like the most?
A young man, Isaac. He does it all.
He does it.
He throws, and he can run. He's fast. He does it all.
Okay. How can I get like Isaac?
I'm trying to learn from him. He's teaching me the school, so that would be great.
So since Isaac is such a man, can we look for a girlfriend?
No, I can't do that because he's here to take care of business.
Business only?
Business only.
I like to hear that, Isaac. Anything else?
Yes, I am very tired right now. A long day. I know we got a long way to go. But it was good to watch him go out here and do his thing. You know, it was fun watching him do his thing at a big stage.
That's good. Like you said, it's been a long day. We got 6 more hours. How you feel about that?
My back can handle it, but you know what? Knowing that my man did all right, I'm good.
That's it. Okay, thank you so much, Coach.
Thank you.
Yo, chat. So we were supposed to be running the DMR, right? At like 5 something, but we're not running it because they're like an hour behind. So Postman runs the 4. I think somebody else runs the 400, and then we're going home. I wanted to run the DMR so bad. Yeah, but like I'm disappointed now. Yo, where you going? Correct. We cannot see you. Holy fucking height difference. You're small. Look at this. Look at what I'm doing. Oh. What's man? Say something to the camera.
Wait, I want to record.
Okay. You got your 400 up next, right?
Y'all bad.
What do you think you got going?
I don't know, man. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try my best as I can, man.
The best? Okay.
The best that I can, bro.
Run a 50.
I'm gonna try.
I just flipping my camera left, right, center like this.
Y'all are so pretty.
Thank you. You too.
Don't lie to them.
What a merch. Stop playing.
Bring that friend up.
Okay, so.
Holy Coach D. I don't know where he's going. Like. Okay.
See me?
Nah, we don't see you.
Do you see me? Do you see me now?
Yeah, chat. So we just got back in Syracuse. It's like 11. Niggas about to go home right now. Go home and sleep. What time is it? I lied. What time is it? It's 12. Yeah, niggas about to go home and sleep. You know, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, all that. Thanks for watching it here.
If you dip me in your ass, I get your pussy stuck up. When you touch down in my hood, no, that tour life ain't good. Catch me down in MIA. At that heat game on wood. With that Puma life on my feet, like that little engine.